Yeah, this video is like one of cheapest way to get to the sea. Yeah, you know, I like to eat near Bumblebee here. Yeah, I like to eat here. There, I don't know, sorry for my English. $1.50 start of my trip. Breakfast. Next station after my breakfast is like Marine Department to Samburi railway station. Yeah. Yeah, this is Marine Department. So beautiful. Pier. Yeah, here I'm waiting for the orange or green line boat. Yeah. They said yellow boat is okay. Yeah, yellow is coming. Because it's kind of, you know, a way of traffic and some kind of tourist attraction. You can see the whole scenery over there. Beautiful temples. It's like, you know, bonus of the trip when you live in the city. Now I'm in place. It's like railway station nearby. It's a beautiful pier, this temple. Lots of temples. So beautiful. Temple nearby. So many temples everywhere. This is railway station. I hope I'm got in time. These guys wanna dance with me. Where? Yeah. Beautiful music. I'm good to railway station. Somewhere. Yeah. Going to buy. It's like 40 baht. It's cheaper than I got my breakfast. Get inside the train. Waiting for the start. Next station is here. We got on the train station. 4-hour trip. Fresh air. Hurrah! After Bangkok. So cool to breathe with fresh air after Bangkok, guys. Yeah. Vibe, really vibe, cool vibe. See you in this side. Next beach is here. Or we should go back. Water is so good. Big wall. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, you know. It's like in GTA game, only mountains, nothing to do. See, it's here, this side. It's kind of got docks and it's no entry by this road. No entry, you can't go here. parked into park. And we're waiting here for taxi. Yeah, going back to Bangkok city. It's like horrible. Bangkok is this side. It's kind of constructions here. Here. I miss the clear air outside of Bangkok already, you know. I won't go back. This boat is cheaper than previous one. Yeah, it's kind of 15 minutes and I get back to home. Finally I got home. Yeah, it's kind of cheapest trip to the sea from Bangkok. Enjoy, subscribe.